We're going for a bike ride.
Thing. Ow, it hurt my ear.
The what? Did you get it?
No.
So yeah, I'll help. We're going on a bike ride. Sorry if the camera's shaky, because I'm kind of...
Oh yeah, we had to get a tree clip.
That's fun. Tree. We're back in CT.
Ow.
Yeah. Where is she? What are you doing?
Oh, I'm finding out what my science grade is.
How can you find out from there? Don't you have to get it from the mail? Ah, I got a cramp in my hand.
How do you do that?
How do I get a cramp in my hand? I just get a cramp in my hand. When my hand decides to get a cramp in my hand, it gets a cramp in my hand.
Tell your hand to shut up.
Shut up.
Peace out, homie.
I'm not really good at this. I'm not good at... There she is. I don't know. You see her? Ah, her bike just farted. It's very hard to bike and videotape at the same time.
What?
Which way are we going?
My bike broken?
No, it's just making farting noises. Okay, we gonna keep going? I know, it's farting. I need to be careful with this camera because it's my mom's. Wish me luck. Alyssa, so she had to go to this like little swampy thing above. And she's like, don't follow me, and of course I'm stupid as I am, and follow her. And I landed in the swamp thing. I hope nobody stared at me, because it looks like I'm talking to myself. Hopefully I don't randomly fall.
Yo, G.
Yo, G!
Cloudy out here.
Yeah! Yo, G, we gotta keep going.
Wait.
I'ma keep going.
Wait, come back.
No!
Wait.
No! I guess I gotta wait. Lazy. There's a boat.
Taxi. Hi, everyone.
Don't drop it.
Wait, I'm driving into the grass. Hey, everyone, we're biking again. It's Alyssa, and I'm filming. And I'm proud of myself. I'm on a bike ride. And I'm going in a circle. And circles are really mathematical. If you multiply the diameter times pi, you can find the circumference. Or you can do the radius times 2 times pi, and that will get you the circumference. Like, next time you think about going in a circle, think about radius, diameter, circumference. Dude, I'm trying. I'm just trying to educate everyone here. Na, 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 na. I know, it played 30 times this morning. I know, it's annoying. But I love that song. Hey everyone, you're getting a sight view of New Haven. Hannah's Dream is in New Haven. It's a park. I have to wait for someone who's slow, or than a turtle. Have you ever heard of mochi? It's this delicious Asian ice cream. Katie.
You can make the camera face yourself.
Katie's on a bike. Dude, don't get hurt. yesterday we were in D.C.
Yeah.
See?
We got cupcakes. From Georgetown Cupcakes. Ever watch DC Cupcakes? Pretty cool.
Smelled really good in there.
There was this really long line. It looked like it would take like 2 hours to get a cupcake.
And then I met Obama
Obama.
at a wax museum. Actually, it was a fake Obama.
But we did see the White House. Well,
We're educating you.
we saw the pointy thing, a.k.a.
The Washington Monument. But we didn't get to touch it. We totally forgot.
And then we went to the zoo and we had chicken.
We did? Oh yeah, we had chicken with French fries. Now I'm going to go in another circle. At the moment, I'm going around the radius. I'm not going around the exact circle because I'd have to be a super cool biker mathematician, but I'm not. I'm just a kid, or an adult, or a baby, or a student, or a sister. Well, not really. Well, kind of. Or a niece. Or myself. I'm in Jersey. No, I'm not. I'm in New Haven.
My thumb feels weird. Hello. Go down a mini hill. I'll show it to you. I'm gonna go down that little thingamabob, then go all the way around. This was the circle she was going around, aka the radius, but I don't think you really care about that kind of math stuff. Well, G, let's go. We aren't gangsters. You can do it.
I'm stuck.
I'm gonna go down the hill. She's going. Sorry if this is bad footage. Woo! Okay, my turn. I'm gonna go around the circle and then down the hill.
She's coming back. I can ride my bike with no handlebars. Just kidding, that's not safe.
Like my minivan. Go. Bye. No fair, she gets a bell. Litter. Yeah, people in Connecticut are disgusting. People are playing soccer. Woot woot. They're so pretty. Oh, they have these like things in this park. I'll show them to you. Okay, she's the ninja.
Oh, I'm feeling green like my minivan. Let's zoom into her face.
I'm gonna do ballet. Attitude. No.
Creep. How are you guys feeling? Green, purple, red?
Now I'm feeling green. Oh. Hey, y'all. We're here. Get that camera from here.
Okay.
I'm not good at this. You're actually supposed to go across it the whole entire way, but I can't do that. Okay, we're going back on the bike ride. My favorite tree's coming up. My socks are brown. We're going to our favorite tree. Okay, I'll go over to the tree. Bye. What the heck? This is my favorite tree. Woo!
Cross through?
No. Last time we did that, it didn't really work out.
Why?
Because he made me, like, go into the water.
Oh yeah, I remember. I was like, water. But I didn't know.
Never follow her when you're bike riding.
And I'm like, don't follow me, don't follow me.
So I was trying to stop my bike. And when she told me to stop following, I tried to stop it. I was already in the water.
Look at what I did.
Wow, I'm so proud. You can bike through a puddle. So awesome just because you can go through a puddle. I can do that.
So I was going through the trench and I'm like, stop. So she stops in the middle of the water. Her shoe gets soaking wet. She drops my bike in the water.
I was worried about my shoe.
But I made it out in time and I got to clean my bike and I sneaked up to the tree. I rocked.
I'm watching it. Dude!
You're gonna get hurt.
I've been on this a million times. Oh! Okay, we're going back home to get some lunch.
Hi everyone. Go in front of me. Now we're feeling green.
Alyssa got in trouble for pushing the cupcake, and then her parents are like, let's change the subject. And so I say, Mario's fast.
I'm like out the window. I go like that, and I'm like, ee.
And there's a truck driver who looked at me when I was dancing, and then he started laughing.
I know.
And then we started laughing, and we were like, oh my gosh. Okay, we're back home, and now we're gonna go have some soup. Goodbye.
No. Hi everyone. I just wanted to say thank you for watching. You can. This isn't coming out right. Thanks everyone for watching. We have no one to sponsor us, but we don't need sponsoring. I would like to give you all a pretty flower. Here you go. Take it. Take it. It's my gift to you. Take it. It's my gift to you. Take this stinking flower. Okay.
You can subscribe and leave comments below. Nobody cares about the stinking flower.
Oh.
Mario's fast.